Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. This video is part of the Quranic Arabic Simplified series, and in this video we will talk about the first category of the parts of speech in Arabic, which are nouns or al-ism. So in the last video we talked about the three categories of parts of speech in Arabic, and these are either ism, which is a noun, fa'al, which is a verb, or harf, which is a particle. So in this video, we'll start talking about ism, and how do we know? How can we tell if a word is a noun or an ism? Well, first, if you find an alif lam, which means the, in the beginning of that word, this will have to be a noun. Verbs and particles cannot have an alif lam. So examples from the Quran, from Surah Al-Fatiha, would be Alhamdu, Al-Alamin, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. Those are all nouns. The second way to tell that this is a noun is that it would have a tanween. Tanween means two fathas, two dhammas, or two kasras at the end of the word. So words such as ghasiqin, hasidin, afwaja or afwajan, or rasulun, they're all nouns because they have a tanween, and verbs and particles can never have a tanween. Number 3, if the word is a proper noun. A proper noun would be the name of a person, the name of a tribe, the name of a place. So for example, Musa is a proper noun, so that's a noun. Quraysh, that's the name of a tribe, so it's a noun. And Mecca is the name of a place, so it's also a noun. Number 4, if the word is preceded by a nida or a call, which means ya, when you're calling someone, ya Muhammad. For example, ya ardu. So ya ardu, this ard, because you can call it, then it's a noun. Ya ayyuhan nabi, which means O prophet, so this would also be a noun, and nabi is a noun. And number 5, if the word is preceded by a preposition. Now we are going to have another video about prepositions, inshallah, but some examples would be min sharri, so because min is a preposition and shar is preceded by min, so shar is a noun. Fi dini, so deen is a noun. Ala ta'ami, ta'am is a noun. Bi dhulmin, so dhulm is a noun. Now there are other clues to tell if something is a noun, but they can get a bit confusing. So another way to tell that a word is a noun is that it's not a verb. So in the next video, we will talk about verbs and how to know if a word is a verb so that we can know that it's not a noun. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell to get notified about new uploads. Thank you.